Yo, what's up guys? Another day, another purple package. Pedals arrived today. Let's get this thing open and get these bad boys on, yo. Dun, dun, dun. Hope pedals. Oh my god, look at them. Now you can actually see it shining, that purple in the daylight shining. The last video I made putting the rotors on was in the dark and you couldn't see them. Now look at them in the daylight, yo. Look at that purple popping. Oh shit. They're really thin, but I think with the pins on, it's gonna be nice. It's quite a lot of grip. Some people ride them without the pins apparently, but let's get these bad boys on, man. They look sick. First things first, let's get these old ugly pedals off. These ones got Allen key. There's no like spanner on them. You can see here, it's Allen key fitment. Oh my days, look at that, man. That's popping with the purple rotors and calipers. Oh dang. Let's put all these pins in, yo. Pins are in, yo. Looks super dope. That's gonna hurt if you slip and smash that into your knee. You're like 4mm nails into your shin. Let's get the other side on, yo. This is looking dope. Purple's popping with the black. Let's get these shiny new perps on. It might be easier for you to stick the pins in before you put the pedal on. It's up to you. Put it on before or after. But the pins you have to screw them in the one side. Wait, that thread's a bit dangly. You screw them in the one side here, and then where's my little Allen key? You have to screw them in the one side and go in the other side to tighten it, like that. Oh, not like that. I turned it the wrong way, but yeah, you go in the other side. Like that, to tighten her up. But yeah, I'm going to stick the pedal on first and do the pins after. Bit of grease, almost forgot again. Little bit of grease. Something. Okay, I'll put all the pins in and I'll tighten that up and then we'll be back. Pins are in, yo. It actually takes like 5-10 minutes to put them in by hand, but yeah, they're in. I won't have to do that again. They're gonna give some serious grip and some serious pain if that smashes you in the shin. But yeah, they're looking super dope with the purple chain and the purple calipers and the purple brake levers. Oh my god, almost done with the purple accents. Just a couple little bits here and there I want to do. I want to get the jockey wheels probably next. There'll be CNC aluminium as well, because these are just plastic and it looks like it's wearing down already. So yeah, upgrade them bad boys next. If you like this one, make sure you leave a thumbs up, comment, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one, yo. Peace.